Hey everyone, I was talking with one of the flight attendants about United phasing out the 747-400, and his response was, well, we're getting rid of all the gas-guzzling four-engine planes. And I said, I miss the space and the coach lounge, and we both agreed on that, but it's a different world where we have two-engine planes that use less fuel and for the most part have less space than their counterparts that have flown similar routes, right? So anyway, those 747s, get used to seeing them now because they're gonna be gone in a few years. See? So fly them while you can. That one's going to Frankfurt. I think the other one's going to Honolulu. And I think the third one's going to London. The fourth one I don't know about. But look at them. All 747s. Take a look. Queen of the skies.